Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people of the globe. Hope you're all well. Peace and blessings to everyone. Ek weet ook scroll julle nog verby die Live Good opportunity nie. People is making money. My enroller is doing so well. And so many affiliates and members that has joined, that have decided to join to make a difference in their lives, in their families' lives, the kids in a so ek verstaan nie hoekom julle nog scroll by nie. I told you, go do your research. It's $50. Even na kry hulle bonus, December bonus. Vat net $50 is less than R1,000 and go on board. Make a change, then at least can you feel yourself say, I've done something for 2025, for my future, of my family, my children, and my community. So, people, you're gonna be missing out. That's all I can say. You're gonna be missing out in a year or so, inshallah, from now onwards. People are paying, they are making money. So, think about it. And don't think too long. As julle eie ding, as julle maar net sit en julle wil maar net so sit in 'n situation wat julle is.